So, what are the best penny stocks to buy on October 15th, 2024? Well, number one recommendation is New Gen IVF Group Limited. Stock symbol NIVF. It is up today 137% or $1.04, trading at $1.79. Since this morning, it already traded 13 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $30 million. So I reported about this company yesterday, actually, and what we have here is a case of I think this is a pharmaceutical company that announced some positive clinical trials, and what happened is that basically it's injecting some good news into the market, and it creates pretty big demand for the stock. So right now it is trading already kind of like at a 6-month high or close to it, so it is kind of dangerous to get in it after it already went from, let's say, 60 cents to $1.80. It already went up like 300% since I started reporting on this thing. But if the news are very powerful and very promising for the future of the company, and people are still putting some money into it, maybe it does make sense to inject some cash into it and see what happens. So take a look, see what you're thinking, and then maybe put some money into it. New Gen IVF Group Limited. Stock symbol NIVF. Only $1.79 a share. Next one is Zapata Computing Holdings. Stock symbol ZPTA. It is up today 73% or 5 cents, trading at 13 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 483 million shares. Almost 500 million shares was traded, and we just have like 90 minutes since the market opened. Market cap for the company, though, is roughly $8 million. So it's a tiny company, and the whole market is super interested in that stock. We don't know why, but apparently they released some kind of news, and that just like gripped the market with such strong desire to own that stock that, 483 million shares were already, traded. That's crazy. So in terms of history of the company, 6 months ago, this thing was trading at $2 a share, $2 a share. Then, over the last 6 months, almost on no volume whatsoever. Nobody was interested. Nobody cared about the company. The stock collapsed from $2 to like 20 cents, right? So suddenly, some kind of news were released today, and there's a huge reversal, huge jump of 70%. So, and maybe whatever was released is very powerful, because if you decide to jump into the stock, you could get in at 13 cents a share. Considering that it used to trade at $2 a share 6 months ago, if it goes back to those levels, I mean, we're talking about, 10 times, 20 times your money. So take a look, see what's going on, see what news are driving the stock price jump and the volume jump. And if this news sound reasonable and promising, then maybe, take a risk and put some money into it. So, Zapata Computing Holdings. Stock symbol ZPTA. Only 13 cents a share. Next one is Greystone Oncology. Stock symbol GRTS. It is up today 21% or 1 cent, trading at 6 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 266 million shares in the first 90 minutes. Market cap for the company is roughly $10 million. So, based on the word oncology in the name of the company, it is pretty clear it's a pharmaceutical stock, and with this stock, you always have to be like on the lookout, because for 6 months they would, say just like almost no news, and then suddenly say, oh, we got some kind of, positive news. We got positive results for the clinical trials, for example, where our medication is being used on real people and stuff like that. So, but the main thing is the stock used to trade at $1 about 5 months ago, back in May of this year. Then it collapsed to like 5 cents a share, not 5, like 1 cent a share, right? So apparently whatever they were working on was not very successful, not very promising. The market didn't care about the stock. There was no buyers, so full collapse. Some news arrived today. In fact, some news started to arrive, I would say 2 or 3 days ago. But today was like one of those major pushes. So it looks like maybe they did hit, they did strike gold, maybe with some kind of medication or some kind of medical technology. But the main thing is the market is like jumping on that stock like crazy. 266 million shares kind of tells you that, you know, a lot of people want to acquire those shares. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look, see what's going on there. And even if you jump in right now at 6 cents a share, your upside potential is $1, which is, my God, it's like you could make like 15 times your money. So take a look. Gridstone Oncology, stock symbol GRTS, only 6 cents a share. Next one is Execure, stock symbol XCUR. It is up today 46% or $1.20, trading at $3.78 a share. Since this morning, it already traded only 857,000 shares. Market cap of the company is roughly $15 million. So this is a very jumpy stock. I actually reported about this stock before. That was on September 11th. It had a huge jump from $1.50 to, guess what, to like $4.50. It went up 300% like within like a day or so. So, but this is a very jumpy stock, goes up and down very sharply, very kind of like unexpectedly. So, but right now it is building a very bullish trend. So apparently some kind of news were released or something, but the main thing is the stock is creating already several days of jumps when it went from $2.50 to right now hitting almost $4 a share. So, but the volume is very light, so not a lot of people know about what's going on there. Not a lot of people paying attention, but it could be a very bullish kind of under the radar trading stock. And maybe if you check it out and you like it and you decide to put some money into it, maybe just in a couple of days the rest of the market will kind of discover that stock, will start paying attention, and maybe drive the stock much higher beyond its resistance level. So, but take a look and see it for yourself. Execure Inc. stock symbol XCUR. Only $2.75 a share. Next one is ABVC Biopharma Inc. stock symbol ABVC. It is trading today. It is up today 29% or 14 cents, trading at 64 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded only 447,000 shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $10 million. So, what can I tell you about this company? It's kind of strange company, to tell the truth. It used to trade at $1.60 6 months ago. Then it kind of collapsed all the way to like 60 cents. And it was hovering around 60 cents since since the beginning of summer, since like June 1st or so, even earlier. So basically no trading volume, stock around 60-70 cents a share. Nothing is happening, nobody's trading it. Suddenly some kind of news start to arrive, I would say in the last couple of days, and the stock quietly but very kind of consistently is trying to get up there. And I I guess, go much higher. So right now it is 64 cents. The